I absolutely love a good subscription box. So for today's video, I'm talking all about the Fabfitfun Summer subscription box. I've been super curious to try Fabfitfun for quite a while, and they recently reached out to me and they did offer to send me this box. So this box was kindly gifted to me, but this video is not sponsored, meaning I am not being paid to make this video, but I did want to put a disclaimer that this was gifted to me. But I just wanted to do a little unboxing with you guys, give you guys some details about Fabfitfun, and also of course show you guys everything that I chose to be in this subscription box. And now what I think is super cool about Fabfitfun is that you can actually choose exactly what products you want in a subscription box. And with a lot of other subscription boxes, sometimes that is the downside, is that you don't get to choose what you're going to receive in your box. So sometimes you'll get things that maybe you don't want, or things that you probably wouldn't even use. So the fact that Fabfitfun actually allows you to choose exactly what items you want to receive in your box, I feel like that makes it way more appealing. I would feel like that would be way more appealing to a lot of people, because that way you know that you're actually getting things that you want to get. So before I get into the unboxing, I just want to give you guys some details about Fabfitfun. So if you're not familiar with them, Fabfitfun is a customizable subscription box that you get 4 times a year if you wanted to. They do have 2 different options. You could just test it out once if you really did want to and you didn't want to commit to a full year. But Fabfitfun is a customizable subscription box that you get 4 times a year if you want to. And it always comes with 6 full-size, either beauty, fashion, wellness, or home-related products that you get to choose yourself. Each box is always a value up to $350, so that is a great price. You're always getting your money's worth out of these boxes. So there are 2 different options. You could either do a seasonal membership, which is normally $69.99 per quarter, or you could do an annual membership, which is $219.99 per year. With the annual option, that equals to $50 per box, so that is a great deal, knowing that you're going to get up to $350 worth of products in your box. And by doing the annual version, you save $60 per year that way. If this was something that really interested you, that is definitely the way to go, I would say, is to do the full entire year at once. As a Fabfitfun member, you get access to flash sales on a lot of top brands like Prada, Summer Fridays, and also Glossier, and you get up to 70% off, so that's really cool. Also, something that is an extra benefit of being an annual member is that annual members get first dibs to choosing the products that they want in their box, earlier shipping, and also first access to flash sales. Fabfitfun was super kind to offer some special deals to offer you guys. So with my link and code that is in the description box below, you can get a free gift valued over $200 with the annual membership, or if you just wanted to do a seasonal membership, you can get 20% off of your first box. And remember, it is a $350 value per box. So again, it is typically $69.99 for a seasonal membership, but with my link and code in the description box below, your first box would be $55.99. So you're getting a good little deal there if you just wanted to test it out for one time before committing to doing a whole annual membership. But anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So the first item is this cooler bag. I love the coloring of this. I think it's so pretty. It has a teal and green color on it, and I think it's so pretty. And it's just gonna be really nice for taking to the beach on days where I want a cooler bag. This is gonna be really nice to store some food and some drinks for like a day trip, a trip to the beach, or any type of a day trip where I want to bring some things and keep them cool. So this is really nice. The next thing I chose is this planter. I really like this. It's just a simple neutral color. This is going to be really cute to put a little plant in that I either will keep indoors, or maybe I'll put it outdoors. Probably put it indoors, because I have a deck that I kind of like to put some plants on, so I might put it there. However, this is a really nice little planter, so I might just use this indoors. But it comes with a little drainage tray, and it has a drainage hole, so super nice and really cute. Definitely really nice quality. I also picked out this flower vase. I honestly don't have a whole lot of flower vases, so I thought it would be nice to get one. And this is a really fun, like mint green color. I think this will be perfect for spring and summer, so super excited to have this. This is a nice size as well, great for any just like regular bouquet of flowers, so very excited to have this. And then I also picked out a claw clip. This is such a pretty green color. I really like it. I love claw clips for days like by the pool, or just any day where I want to put my hair up and I don't feel like using a hair tie. claw clips are really nice. I feel like they also help it so you're not like tugging at your hair as much. I find that when I use a claw clip, I don't really tear out as much of my hair as I do sometimes when I wear a hair tie, but super cute, really nice claw clip. And then also this ankle bracelet. It is really cute if you are into ankle bracelets or anklets. This alone is relatively expensive, so definitely a fun thing to receive in the subscription box if you like anklets. And then lastly, I picked out the Freck OG product. I've been really enjoying doing like faux freckles, so this is what it looks like. It is a really small little product with a brush. It kind of looks like a liquid eyeliner brush. I'm just gonna apply some to test it out real quick. Just do some small little freckles, and then I just dab it in with my finger. I have a feeling I'm going to enjoy this. Very easy to work with, easy to blend out. I like that the packaging is also pretty small. I feel like that makes it great for traveling and blends out very well. I like that you can still make it look very natural. It's just very easy to work with. So that is super cute. I'm very excited to test this out more. I love that you can get both home items and beauty and fashion and wellness items all in one box if you want to, and they do have quite a variety of options to choose in each category, so you're sure to find something that you like in each category. And again, I just love that you get to pick out the items that you want to receive in your box. I think that's awesome. So that is everything that I got for the summer 2024 Fabfitfun box. If you guys do want to check it out, remember again, I do have those 2 special offers for you guys where you can get a free gift with a value of over $200 with the annual membership, or if you want to do the seasonal membership, you can get that 20% off of your first box. So definitely check out the code in the description box below for both of those if you are interested in checking them out. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions about Fabfitfun boxes or anything that I received in the box, definitely let me know in the comment section below. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see even more content from me in the future, I would absolutely love it if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you for my next video.